Welcome guys, in front of me I have Mi True Wireless Earbuds Basic from Xiaomi, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset these earbuds. So for the first we have to remove both earbuds from the charging case, and right now we have to check if they are turned off. So let's enter for Bluetooth settings. Right now they are connected, so you have to hold both buttons for like 5 seconds, something like that, until this flash is blinking on the red color. So click hold. Okay, and right now they are turned off. And the second step is just to click hold the same button, but for the 50 seconds. So click hold and wait until this lights blinking on the red and white color 3 times for the twice. Okay, it's finished, and right now we have to put it back to the charging case, remove from our pair list, and right now we can pair them one more time. So take it off, click hold for the 1 second, it's blinking on the white color. So right now we can tap right here to pair them, select from the list, accept the pair, and right now they are back connected to our smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.